Hello, my name is Randy and thank you for visiting AC Filters for You. Today I wanted to go over on how easy it is to put the new media into the filter frame. You're going to receive 6 orange and white filter medias with your frame. Here's your frame. The first one will actually have one of them in it already, so you can just set it right into your filter rack and go. But now when it comes time to changing that filter out, first thing you do is pull the frame out and you're going to pull the old filter media out and dispose of it. Just throw it in the garbage. Don't try to clean it. Don't save it in any way, shape, or form. Just put it in the garbage. When you get your new one, it's already going to be pre-cut. What you want to do is you want to set the orange side towards the metal grade. And if you look on your frame, you'll see where it shows an arrow of airflow, and it'll be going towards the expanded metal backing. Okay, that's the side that the orange goes to. So when you do this, just set the media right on top of the frame so it looks nice and even. And you go to one side, tack it in just like that. Okay, you can switch to the other side and just push it up and under. Now I want you to use a little caution because this is metal and metal can be a little sharp. So if you tend to get cut very easily, maybe you want to take a little wooden spoon or something like that to help in doing this. But if you're careful, you should be fine. And then go to each side and just tuck in till you get close to the corners. It's pretty simple. Now, this is a small frame, so this is a little bit tighter to work with, and the bigger frame's a little bit easier. And then go to each corner and just tuck in the corners. Again, make sure the white is facing out. Your orange is going to be facing the expanded metal. Once you get all 4 corners in, and make sure everything's tucked in nice and neat, when you put this back into your filter rack, make sure this is facing in. Your airflow is coming in this way, going out this way towards your air conditioner. So this should always be facing out towards the grade of your air conditioning filter frame. So if your filter frame happens to be up in the ceiling, you're going to see white. You're not going to see pumpkin orange. So that's another way of knowing that you did it right. Thank you for visiting AC Filters for You, and hope to talk to you soon.